So we're going to be looking at how to enter crypto futures signal. How to enter a crypto futures signal. So when you open your Binance app, you go to futures. This is futures. This futures here, down here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so you click on it. Good. So let's say you have a signal. I'm using football as an example. Let's say this signal here, football. All right, football. So let's say this is a signal you have. All right, this is just a case study for the purpose of this video. Let's say you want to enter this signal now. All right, so the pair is football slash USDT. All right, so you come over here. You come over here. Look at the top here. Can you see this place? You click on band. You click on whatever coin whatever pair you are seeing here. Click on it. Okay, so I click on it. All right, make sure it is here under all. So move it to all. Okay, not favorite, not perpetual, not delivery, all. So when you move it to all, you search. Okay, search for football. You see, so we have football here, right? So you click on it, football USDT. You click on it. Good. So what did he say? It says football USDT long 20 years leverage. So we are longing football, okay? Or we are buying football. So buy long football 20 years leverage. This times 20 means leverage. So it's already in long, okay? If you click on sell, it means you are shorting. If you click here, sell. But in this case, they say we should long, okay? So we click on buy. We click on buy, all right? Which is long. If they say short, you click on sell. This is to short, okay? Why? To long, you click on buy. Do you understand? So it's already on long, which is buy, as you can see over here, okay? So what next? They said 20 years leverage. Here is your leverage. This is leverage. This one here, 20x, okay? You can adjust your leverage. You can adjust it. The higher your leverage, the higher your risk. The higher your leverage, the higher your risk, the higher your profit, okay? The higher your leverage, the higher your risk, the higher your chances of making profit. Let me say that again. The higher your leverage, the higher your risk, and the higher your chances of making higher profit. Do you understand? So they said 20 years leverage. So this leverage, you can as well adjust it. Let's say they said this is the leverage, right? Let's say they said 10x leverage, but in the signal here, which we're using as an example, it says 20 years leverage. Okay, so let's say they said 10x leverage. So all you do is you click on this leverage here. There's a drop down there. You click on it. Can you see this? So you make adjustments. If it's 10x, just move it. This 10x leverage, right? This 5x leverage. This 1x leverage. 15x leverage. 25. Okay? 25x leverage. 15x leverage. Okay? But they said 20x leverage. So let's just say, let's go with the 20, which the signal says we should use. All right. Now, good. So over here, this is your margin. This is your margin here. Cross. Can you see it? Cross. So this cross here means your margin. Okay. There's a drop down there. If you click on that tiny icon, the drop down, you'll see that we have two margin modes. We have cross, we have isolated. Now, in a layman's language, cross means, if I'm using the cross margin, it means should the trade goes against you, like you get liquidated. All right. Let's say you're using $100 of trading capital as your margin, okay, as your margin, or as your equity. Let's say your equity is $100, okay, and you're using cross margin. Do you understand? And you're using cross margin. In a layman's language, it means if the trade should go against you and you get liquidated. Okay. Let me explain it this way. Let's say you have $200 as your equity. Your total equity in your futures wallet is $200. Okay, $200, and you want to use $100 from that 200 as your trading capital. You have $200 in your futures wallet, but you want to use $100 as your trading capital. Do you understand? Then, which means you have $100 left, right? So now, if you should go for cross margin mode, okay, let me explain it in a layman's language. If you go for cross margin mode, and peradventure the trade goes against you and you get liquidated, okay, that's your $100 which you are using as your capital, though you have 200, a total of 200 in your futures wallet, but you are only using $100 out of the 200 as your trading capital. Okay, if the trade should go against you and you get liquidated, that your $100 which you used as your trading capital will be gone. Now, in addition to that, the remaining $100 that is still in that your futures wallet will also be gone, meaning the whole $200 you have will be wiped out. Although what you used as your trading capital is just $100, but the total capital you have in your futures wallet is 200. Okay, for using cross margin, and in the process of time, the trade unfortunately went against you and you got liquidated. The $100 capital you used specifically for this trade will be gone. Then the remaining $100 which you left in your futures wallet, which you didn't use actually, will also be gone. That's cross margin for you. I'm just explaining it in a layman's language, okay, the way you understand. But if you should use isolated margin, okay, and you still have the same $200 whatever capital, but we're using $200 here, okay, you have $200 in your futures wallet, all right, but you are using only $100 as your capital for this particular trade. Do you understand? And peradventure the trade goes against you, for example, and you get liquidated. It is that $100 you used as your trading capital for this specific trade that will be wiped out. The remaining $100, which is still in your futures wallet, will remain there. It won't be wiped out. That's isolated margin for you. Isolated margin means, in a layman's language, if you have a total of $200 capital in your futures wallet and you used only 100 out of the 200 as your trading capital, as your equity for this particular trade, and peradventure the trade goes against you and you get liquidated completely, all right, it is only that $100 that you used for this specific trade that will be gone. The remaining $100 that is left in your futures wallet will still be there. Okay, but for cross margin, if you get liquidated completely for cross margin, both the one you used for this specific trade and the remaining balance in that your futures wallet, two of them will be gone. Do you understand? But for isolated, it is only the one you mapped out, you use for the trade to buy this particular pair that will be gone. The remaining balance will still be there in your futures wallet. I hope you understand it now. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's say we are going for cross margin, for example. Okay, so we are using cross margin. You click on confirm. All right, so we have our margin as cross. Our leverage is 20 years. Okay, and we are buying long. Okay, we are told to long football, right? See it here, long football. So now they say the entry is 887. Okay, 887. Now let's say look at the market price. The market price here is 905.53 USDT. Okay, 905.12, okay, whatever it is, 905 points, whatever, okay, USDT. This is the market price, okay, and the signal says the entry should be 887. So what you do is you come over here, okay, you come over here. Let's say this place is market, okay. So what you do is you come over here. If this place is showing market, this place is showing market, all you just do is you click on this drop down here and change it to limit. Why are you using limit? You are using limit because the market price is 905, but the entry price, the signal gave you is 887. Okay, so you need to enter this 887, though the market price is 905. So you need to enter this 887.11. That's why you use limit. So you come over here, you erase this, you enter 887.11. Okay, then for the amount you're going to use, that's the let's say you are using $100 capital, okay, for this very trade, okay, but let's say in my own case, for the purpose of this video, I'm using, there's a $2 only, okay. You move, you can type in the amount here. You can type in, for me, what I normally do is I will just move, you see this line here, I'll move this icon. You just move it slowly till you get to the amount of USDT you want to use as your capital. You understand? So I will just move it. Keep your eye here. Keep your eye here. Here it says cost. This is where your USDT, the total USDT you want to use for this particular trade, will be shown. The total amount you want to spend in buying this coin, in buying this pair. Okay. So keep your eye there while I move that that icon. So let's say we'll just use this $2 to, okay, $4. So let's just say for the purpose of this video I'm using 0.89 USDT just for the purpose of this video, okay. 0.89 USDT, okay, and that will give me 0.02 football, okay. That will give me 0.02 football. So all you just do at this point, you click on buy long, this button. Click on this button, buy long. So once you do, you click on confirm buy. So once you do, it means you've entered the trade, okay. You've entered the trade. So it will be here, it will be showing here under open order. This is open order, right? So it will be here under open order. See it here. It will remain here. It will remain here. Remember, what you use is limit order. It will remain here until it gets filled. Until it gets filled. How will it get filled? When this price here, this market price here, which is now 904, reduces to 887. Okay, when it gets to 887.11, which is your buying price, which is the entry price, your entry or your buying price, okay, when it gets to 887, then this your order will be filled. Once it gets filled, okay, it will appear under position. It will appear under position here, okay. It will appear under position. Do you understand? Under position, you click on position, you will see it here, around here. Do you get? So let me cancel it. I'm just using it as so that's how to enter your trade. That's how to enter your trade, your features, your crypto futures signals. Okay, these are to enter the trade. So let me cancel. Okay, that's how to enter your trade. Okay, now let's say the entry price, we were told to enter at the market price. Okay, whatever the market price is, we should enter at that price. So all you do is you come over here, you come over to this same place, this place, okay, limit, click on that icon there and select market. This is market. Click on it. If you were told to buy to enter the trade at market price, okay, you click on market, then you just move this icon here on this line. Just move it while you keep your eye on cost. Okay, cost shows you the total amount you want to spend in buying the coin. So let's say I want to spend 0.47 USDT just for the purpose of this video. So I will just click on buy long. If I click on buy long, it will be filled immediately. Why? Because I'm using market order. All right, I was told to buy at market order, so I'll just click on buy long, confirm buy. You see, it has been filled. See it here. Can you see it here? See it here. It has been filled. Okay, it has been filled. It is showing under position. It's no longer under open order. It will only be under open order if I used limit order. Okay, but since I use market order, it will be filled immediately and it will come under position here. Okay, which you are seeing here. Do you understand? So this is how you enter your trade. So now if you want to take your you want to take your you want to fill in your take profits. Okay, this is your first take profit. This one here, your first take profit. Okay, this is your second take profit. This is your third take profit. This is your fourth take profit. Do you understand? So let's say our first take profit here is 904.85. Do you understand? But for the purpose of this training, okay, for the purpose of this training, let's say our first take profit is let's say 901. Let's say 90 okay, let's say our first take profit is 905. Let's say 902.78. Okay, though the first take profit here says 904.85. Do you understand? Okay, let's just say 904.85 is our first take profit. Okay, let's just use that of the signal. Do you understand? But this is how you enter your trade. Okay, so what you do is you go back to your Binance account, to this same place. Okay, under that pair, which is football USDT, you click on position, this place. All right, if you want to take there are two ways to do this. If you want to just take only the first take profit, you want to fill in only the first take profit, you click on position. Do you understand? When you click on position, then what you do next is click on position. Okay, this position, this position under football. All right, click on it. Okay, then click on this drop down, this place, change it to limit. Change it to limit. Good. Now go back to your signal. Okay, the first take profit is what? Is 904.8522. I will just copy it. Copy. Then you go back. Okay, remember this place is limit. It has to be limit. Change it to limit. Then over here, change this thing. Erase that price there, fill in the one you copied. Okay, can you see that? So you will just click on remember, this is just a training this is just a case study and an example. Okay, all right. So once I have filled it in, and I just want to take only the first take profit, I'm not interested in 60%, the second take profit, the third take profit, which is 80%, or the fourth one, which is 100%. I only need the first take profit, which is 40%. Okay, so I will just fill it in. After that, all right, I'll fill it in, right? And this place is showing limit. You have to be limit. If it's showing market, change it to limit. Then you type in the price. Okay, then you click on 100%. All right, Once you've done that, click confirm. Once you click confirm, it will remain there until the price gets to that. When the price gets to that, all right, when the price gets to that, it will be filled. And once it gets filled, you will make profit of 40%. Because what the signal is showing you here says the profit is 40%. Okay, so you make profit of 40% once it gets filled. Do you understand? So that's how you enter your crypto futures trade signals. Okay, that's how you enter your trade signals, and that's how you enter your take profit. Do you get? Now, if you want to fill in your stop loss, this is what you do. This is what you do. If you want to fill in your stop loss, you come over here under the same football. Come over here. All right. You click on stop loss. You click here. So let me do that. Stop loss. All right. So over here, click this place at the top. Look at the top. Position TP/SL. You click on that button there. Okay, good. So below here, over here, we have our stop loss. Do you understand? Stop loss. So what you do is you change this market price. Change it. You can leave it. You can leave it. No need changing it. Okay, no need changing it. Just leave it. Fill in your price. Fill in the price, the trigger price for stop loss. So if you look at the trade says the stop loss should be 5 to 7%. See it here, 5 to 7%. So which means 5% less. All right. 5 is you are longing now. Okay, so 5% less of 887.11. 5% less of your entry is your stop loss. Between 5 to 7% less of your entry is your stop loss. So if you want to do the math, you will say 5% times 887.11. Do you understand? So let's go to our calculator and do that. 887.11. 887.11 times 5%. You will get 44.3555. You copy it, okay? Erase this 5%, put minus there, then subtract what you got from 887.11. You will get this, okay? So this is your stop loss, 842.75, okay? This 5% less. So you go back to your trade on Binance. Over here where you have stop loss, type in that figure, that amount. But I'll just paste. In my own case, I'll paste. Okay, so if it should hit stop loss, if this particular trading pair should hit stop loss, you're going to make a loss of 0.62 USDT. Can you see it? You're going to make a loss of 0.62 USDT. You get? So you won't lose much. That's why stop loss is good. So all you just do now, you click on confirm, and that's it. You've entered the trade successfully. Okay, remember what you focused on is on the first take profit. You are not interested on other take profits. Okay, just the first. So we'll call it a wrap. In the subsequent videos, I will show us how to enter multiple take profits, because in this video we focused on the first take profit only, and it is easier for any trade signal, okay, to hit the first take profit, unlike the other take profit, the subsequent take profits. You understand? But in the next video, I will show us on how to enter at least 3 take profits, not just one, because here we entered only one. Okay, we entered only one. So in the next video, I will show us how to enter the first 3 take profits, or at least 3 take profits. In this video, we focused on how to enter the first take profit only. In the subsequent video, I will show us how to enter 3 take profits or multiple take profits. All right. So thank you very much and look forward to the next video in this channel. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel.